Okay, back in the garage again with the Arcdroid. Another simple project, hopefully simple. I drew up in Inkscape. I know it's not even Halloween yet, and I'm skipping and going to Christmas, but I got to do these things when I think of them. So I made a few Christmas ornaments with the names of the newest generation in the family. So there's 4 little ones, 3 and under, that are going to get ornaments if everything goes right. So that's what this is going to be. We'll cut one out right now and see what they look like. Okay, I cleaned up this metal a little bit before I cut it to see if it'll make it a little bit easier. This is 16 gauge, 130 amps. 105 inches per minute feed rate, and we'll see what happens when I cut this. But like I said, I already cleaned the metal up a little bit before I cut it, so maybe it'll be a cleaner thing. And as far as finish on these goes, I'm thinking I'm just going to leave them silver. Maybe I'll put the lacquer on them again, and I mean silver and gold, right? So silver should work. So let's see what happens when we run this. Okay, the first one came out pretty good. Got the second one all lined up, so we'll cut that out and see how it looks. Yeah, I'm sure you saw on that one, I forgot to bridge the D. I mean, I told myself to do it, just forgot to do it. So better get back on the computer and redo that drawing. I mean, I could probably get away. She'll know it's her name, but wouldn't be right to not bridge it to keep the center in. So I'll fix it and then cut it again. So this one is ready to go, and we'll cut the next one. Okay, little Evelyn's cut out fine. She goes by Evie. Cut out the fourth one, and then I'll have to fix Zelda's and fix her D and come back out and cut it. But let's cut this one. All right, so let's cut Cassian's. All right, so I'm gonna run two of these again. The Zelda, I forgot to bridge the D. Other than that, I was fine. But her brother, Cassian, there's more letters on the other names, so the letters got smaller. So the bridge is they're not very strong. It doesn't look bad, but so my wife suggested the simple solution would be just make them both bigger. So I bridged the D on Zelda, and these are going to be, instead of being 3 1/4 inches, they're going to be 4 inch. They'll both be 4 inches since they're brother and sister. They have to have the same size, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So cutting Cassian's now at the 4 inch size. So here we go. Alright, so now to cut Zelda again with the bridge D, and I'll cut it larger to match her brother's, Cassian's 4 inch one. So there we go. Okay, it's been a couple days since I cut out the Christmas ornaments with the Arcdroid, and I wanted to have the final product before I finish this video. So here's Lily's ornament. You know, I wanted a project for myself to cut out some, you know, something to cut out with the Arcdroid. And these kids all have unique spellings, like Lily has 2 L's, which apparently makes it difficult to find things for her in the store, customized. And Cassian, Evie, and Zelda, also not too common names. So I took the opportunity to cut the newest generation of the family some ornaments. I've been showing them up here. I think they turned out pretty good. The close-up you can see on at the left up here. But I think they turned out pretty good. Happy with those. So drew it all out in Inkscape. Actually drew these from scratch. I didn't even borrow any graphics off the internet. But yeah, just some scroll work, the name, the font, and some circles, and there you go. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the way it came out. So there you go, Christmas ornaments. Thanks for watching.